Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to show you one very simple and easy way to make a rich liquid fertilizer at home using just fruit peels. This fertilizer is completely natural, full of nutrients, and perfect for feeding vegetables, fruit trees, and even flowering plants. Instead of throwing away fruit peels, we will turn them into a powerful homemade fertilizer that will make our plants very happy. So let's not waste any time and get started. First, we need to collect fruit peels. Every day, we eat different types of fruits. No, whatever fruit is available to you in your area. According to the season, you can use those peels. Common ones are banana peels, orange peels, apple peels. Really, any fruit will work. These peels are full of important nutrients like potassium, phosphorus, and other minerals that plants love. Instead of throwing them in the trash, we will use them to make something beneficial for our garden. Now, we will cut these peels into small pieces. You may ask, why cut them? Cutting makes the breakdown process much faster. If the peels are big, they take longer to decompose. But if we cut them into small pieces, the nutrients will release into the water much quicker. It is a small step, but it makes a big difference, so don't skip it. After that, take a bucket or any container you have at home and put all the chopped peels inside. Now, we need to add water, but listen carefully. Don't use chlorinated tap water. If you have rainwater, that is best. Otherwise, if you only have tap water, let it sit for a few hours to allow the chlorine to evaporate before using it. Chlorine can kill the beneficial microbes that will help in this process, so using the right water is important. Next, we will add a few handfuls of garden soil. You might be thinking, why put soil? Soil contains natural bacteria and microorganisms that help in breaking down the peels faster. These tiny microbes work like magic, turning the peels into a rich, nutritious liquid that plants can absorb easily. This step makes the fertilizer even more powerful. Once the soil is added, give everything a good mix so that the peels, water, and soil combine properly. Now, cover the bucket with a loose lid or even a cloth. We're not sealing it completely because we need some air to enter, but we also don't want insects to get inside. Place the bucket in a warm place, away from direct sunlight. And now, we wait. The minimum time for fermentation is 7 days, but if you wait longer, maybe 2 or even 3 weeks, the fertilizer will become even stronger. The longer you leave it, the more nutrients get extracted from the peels, making it more potent. During this time, you may notice a slight smell coming from the bucket, but don't worry, it is completely normal. This means the breakdown process is working, and soon, you will have a wonderful homemade fertilizer ready to use. After waiting at least 7 days, it's time to use the fertilizer. But listen carefully. This liquid is very strong, so we cannot use it directly. We must dilute it properly. The correct ratio is simple. 1 part of the liquid fertilizer to 10 parts of water. For example, if you take 1 cup of fertilizer, mix it with 10 cups of water. This dilution makes sure the plants get all the nutrients without any risk of damage. Now, simply pour this liquid at the base of your plants, near the roots, or you can even use it as a foliar spray. This means spraying it directly onto the leaves, which helps plants absorb nutrients faster. Either way, your plants will love this natural boost, and you will see the difference in their growth. The leaves will become greener, the stems will grow stronger, and the overall health of your garden will improve. This homemade fertilizer is 100% natural, completely free, and so easy to make. No need for chemical fertilizers that harm the environment. With this simple method, we are recycling kitchen waste and turning it into gold for our plants.